Visualizing stress magnitudes in SolidWorks simulation. Let's get into it. What's a tensor plot option look like in visualizing the stress magnitudes? Let's say we have a static simulation going. We've already ran the study. We want to show the von Mises stress now. This stress 1 plot here. We've already plotted where that maximum stress is. We have a force on this bracket hole here. Our fixtures around the holes, and our peak stress is concentrated around the fixed hole in red. So just some more FEA post-processing options. We go to settings here, and I like to change this to discrete. Look how much just more interesting this plot looks, in my opinion. Hell yeah. And we can go to our definition here. And under advanced options, we show as tensor plot checked. Select OK. And we're going to have to zoom in here because not all magnitudes of stresses are equal, obviously. So for the max one, it's going to be the largest arrow. So if let me get my act together here. I keep forgetting to get off the, let me zoom in here. You can see these other tensor plot forces shown here are much smaller magnitude than the max we have plotted in this dark red here. And this is the direction and magnitude of the principal force, principal stress, components. So obviously there's going to be the direction of each stress, and then in this direction, and then also in the x direction. So in the y direction, principal stresses, and then you've got the smaller ones, you can barely see them as shown here. But just another way, it's a little bit larger, another way to view the stress magnitudes as principal stress vectors in SolidWorks. Thanks for checking out this video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for the support.